Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, July 8th, 2015. We have a cold front that's going to be moving through the region today and then stalling over southern New Jersey and southern Pennsylvania over the next 24 hours. And that, of course, is going to lead to the threat for showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures this morning are rather muggy with low temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern tier. Along the coast, looking at temperatures in the lower to mid 70s, and meanwhile in your urban areas, upper 70s to lower 80s. Clearly, we have plenty of humidity in the atmosphere with dew points already in the 60s and 70s. The good news, though, is that a cold front is on the move, and that's going to keep temperatures a bit on the cool side, compared to yesterday at least, with high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s along the coast and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley and in the Philadelphia metro. So temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much, maybe about 5 to 10 degrees throughout the region as showers and thunderstorms develop throughout the northern Mid-Atlantic for today and for tomorrow. This weekend, though, looks much better actually, with favorable conditions, with dry conditions, but at the same time, temperatures are going to be rather warm with highs in the upper 80s to lower 90s. Let's dive into some of these observations. First of all, we have the radar here with showers and a few isolated thunderstorms. Now, I want to be very clear here. This does not look like a severe outbreak in any way, shape, or form for the northern Mid-Atlantic. The atmosphere just is not unstable enough to support that, and the fact that the cold front is going to be moving through this morning lends to believe that, for the most part, we're dealing with scattered showers capable of heavy downpours more than anything else. Now, when this cold front stalls out, we'll have thunderstorms develop along the cold front, but again, the nature of the atmosphere supports more heavy downpours and localized flash flooding than it does for severe weather. So we're going to watch this cold front move through and then stall out. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see that cold front slowly moving through western Pennsylvania and western New York, and this cold front, well, at least the northern half, will steadily move to the east and drive right through New England. But this portion of the cold front will basically slow down and then stall out right around southern Pennsylvania through southern New Jersey and then slowly drop south tomorrow as high pressure builds in. These waves of low pressure, should be L's here, will travel along the cold front and lead to waves, showers, and thunderstorms. Now, this does not mean we're going to see widespread rainfall today all the way through tomorrow. What we'll basically see are these waves of showers and thunderstorms associated with each individual low pressure system and disturbance moving through the region. And because of the tropical nature of the air mass interacting with this cold front, showers and thunderstorms can pop up at almost any time and produce a heavy downpour. Again, this isn't constant rain all day, but it is a threat for showers and thunderstorms all day until we get that high pressure build in tomorrow night from north to south. On the water vapor satellite picture, just kind of want to show you that there is plenty of moisture to work with in the atmosphere. And an interesting factor here, this is the trough that's moving through, and notice the focus of that trough, the focus of the lifting and sinking air is more towards eastern Canada, heading towards the Canadian Maritimes than it is towards the northern Mid-Atlantic. One of the reasons why this cold front will stall out before ever moving through the northern Mid-Atlantic. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the European model guidance from the PennState EBOL website. And again, for today, that cold front will be moving through with scattered showers and thunderstorms. Primary threat will be the heavy downpours. We'll watch out for some strong winds as well. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s along the coast and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. For tomorrow, that cold front will stall out over the region with waves of low pressure moving through. Look for showers and thunderstorms. Some very heavy rainfall will be possible. Look for low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. High temperatures tomorrow in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the immediate coast and lower to mid 80s over the Delaware River Valley. As we get into the weekend, as we head towards Friday, high pressure will build in from the north. Now, we'll see clearing from north to south. I think we'll see dry conditions on Friday, but the clearing will be a little bit slower. So look for variable cloud cover, low temperatures in the lower to mid 70s, high temperatures in the mid 80s throughout the northern Mid-Atlantic, a few lower 80s right along the immediate coast. Then for this weekend, high pressure in full control for Saturday and Sunday. Look for scattered cloud cover. Look for temperatures to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows. High temperatures in the mid to upper 80s along the immediate coast. Upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. Now, most locations will probably top out around 89, 90 degrees. With humidity slowly on the rise, look for a heat index in the lower to mid 90s. Again, not brutally hot, but certainly summer-like weather for sure. So for this weekend, perfect time to head down to the shore with dry conditions in place. Then we head right back into our active weather pattern for the start of next week. For Monday and Tuesday, look for waves of showers and thunderstorms with passing cold fronts. Low temperatures on both days will be in the lower to mid 70s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s along the immediate coast, and mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.